Tennessee never enacted a repair and deduct remedy. Not a narrow version, not a capped version, the self-help repair rule from the Uniform Act was never adopted here, and its slot in the code was used for fire and casualty damage instead. So a Tennessee tenant cannot lawfully pay for a repair and subtract it from the rent. What does exist is narrower, and it is constantly confused with repair and deduct, an essential services rule. If the landlord's failure cuts off something essential, running water, heat, electricity, you can give written notice, procure that service yourself, and deduct what it actually and reasonably cost you. There is no cap on that and no waiting period, and the waiting period you may have read about belongs to a different rule entirely, so do not attach it to this one. It also reaches only counties above a population line that the Act fixes to a named census year, which the page helps you check. That is why this page builds an essential services notice rather than a deduction letter, and why it tells you plainly when it does not apply. You type your details straight into the browser, and it builds the finished PDF for you, laid out properly and ready to sign. Free, nothing to install. Like, subscribe, and come and take the actual form. It is waiting for you at tenantscreeningbackgroundcheck.com. Free, no account needed.